I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful checkerboard scarf in this video, and as you can see, it's not the simple checkerboard pattern. It has textures which makes it more beautiful. I will show you how to make the color changing so clean that you cannot easily distinguish which one is the front and which one is the back. This scarf is about 140 centimeters. I used one ball of each color, but if you want it longer, you need 2 balls for each color. Let's see the materials. I'm gonna be using Cartapa Baby One, color K846 and K855. They are 100 grams and 250 meters. Also 4mm crochet hook, some scissors, and darning needle. The final width of our scarf would be 18 centimeter. So since we're making 2 squares, that means each square will measure around 9 centimeter. And I made a sample gauge, and based on the yarn and the hook I'm using, I'll need 18 chains for each square. So in total, that's 36 chains plus 1 extra chain for tanning. And if you're using a different yarn or hook size, just don't worry, make a quick sample gauge like I did to figure out how many chains you'll need for each square. So I will chain up 37. For this pattern, the only stitches we're going to work with is single crochet and double crochet. We just make 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and repeat this sequence to the end of the row. It's just a repeated sequence. Now we're going to make our first square. So I make 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. You can mark this first stitch with a stitch marker if you need. Then 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Just repeat 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet in each stitch till you reach the 18th chain. So in the next one, 1 single crochet, one double crochet into the next. As I said, you only need to repeat these 2 stitches. The last single crochet and the last double crochet. We won't complete this double crochet because we're going to change color for the next square. Just bring your contrasting color and just make a color change. Keep this yarn behind your work, your first color. Just keep going and repeat the same thing as we did for the first square. Start with 1 single crochet, the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next, just keep going till the end of the row. Okay, I've just finished the first row. For the next row, just chain 1, turn our work, and in the second row we're going to repeat the same thing, just 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. So 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. And remember that you work a double crochet stitch on top of single crochet stitch and single crochet stitch on top of double crochet stitch. Again, single crochet, we just need to complete the first 18 chains and I will meet you guys back when we need to change our color. This is the last chain with this color, which is double crochet, but we don't complete it. Keep this yarn on this side of your work and bring the other color and pull it through. Start making one single crochet and one double crochet again. For invisible color change, I insert the hook through under the new color and make the stitch. Repeat this sequence until the end of the row. This is our work at the end of row 2. This is the back and this is the front. And for the next rows, we just need to repeat the second round. Chain 1 here, turn your work 18 stitches for the first square in this color. One single crochet and one double crochet, just repeat that for 18 stitches, and then here you will change your color and again keep going and make one single crochet, one double crochet till the end of the row. So just repeat the second row for multiple rows till you reach 9 centimeters in the length as well as the width that we have, so we can make a square. And I will meet you guys back. I'm now on row 15. And at this point I'm going to check the size to see if it's already a perfect square or if I need more rows. The width and the length look about the same, around 9 centimeters, so that's perfect. For the next row, we'll change to a contrasting color to start creating our checkerboard pattern. And that's why I'm going to carry the yarn to the end of row 15, so it'll be easier to switch colors right at the beginning of row 16. So we make the last double crochet with this color, change the color here, and now we're going to carry this yarn. For invisible color change, I insert the hook through under the new color and make the stitch. Just as before, make your stitches, one single crochet and one double crochet till the end of row 15. And I will meet you guys back when you get there. Make the last double crochet together. Because we are going to change color at this point, we don't complete this double crochet, and just pull the beige yarn a little bit, so not too tight, just a little bit. Okay, now we change to our beige color like so and turn our work. I'm gonna carry this yarn as well all the way around to the joining point to switch color for the second square, and in this way you won't have to weave in the ends later, because honestly we all know how much we hate it. But if you prefer, you can cut the yarn here and reattach it to this point for switching the color. So the first stitch is always a single crochet. I'm gonna make a single crochet, double crochet in the next, single crochet, just the same pattern till you reach this joining point. time to change the color for the second square. So I'm gonna put this aside because you don't need to carry this anymore for next 15 rows. And just make one single crochet and one double crochet all the way to the end of the row. I just finished row 16. You need to repeat the same thing as we did here. 18 stitches, change the color, and again 18 stitches till you finished 15 rows and make the square. And again, you need to repeat the same thing as we did for changing the color to a contrasting color at the end of row 15. And repeat this pattern as long as you want till you reach your desired length for the scarf. I will meet you guys back again and we'll finish the scarf together. I've just finished the last squares, and to finish this scarf we're going to make a row of single crochet as the last row of this scarf. So chain 1 at the end of this row, continue your work and just single crochet all the way across. And chain 1, cut the yarn. Now you're done. Just weave in these ending and beginning tails and you'll be done with this scarf. The length of this scarf is about 140 centimeters. This length is okay for me, but if you want it longer, you can continue making squares as long as you want. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed crocheting this beautiful checkerboard scarf with me, and thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.